mga kids nasa kasi check. So, lagyan ko na lang. Oh, good morning guys, and maulan pa rin sa labas. Breakfast, tinanggal ko ni Jang kasi nga kanina hanggang ngayon, ayan, meron tayo ditong nagli-leak. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo. Ayan, dripping, a little bit of drip. Ayun. So, lalagyan namin dyan na towel. And si Jan, maaga siya kanina. Nag-grocery na siya, guys. Nag-ano siya, bumili siya ng coffee niya at saka juice, milk. Ayan si Holly, meron na siyang Fruit Loops. Si Kuya, nag-open na siya ng shapes. Today is July 2nd. Saturday. Yeah, Kuya, do your bed. So, what are you looking for, Han?
Not really.
With Biggs. It's in here. Oh, we still have rolls, huh?
What?
Rolls, bread rolls.
Yeah.
Guys, dito na tayo sa ropes. Huwag kayong mahulog. Binigla na naman tayo ni Johnny Boy. Ura-uradang lakad.
Here, Dad, look.
Kaya ayan, wala tayong kilay. Nag-sunscreen lang ako guys and lip tint. Yung sunscreen ko ay yung gustong-gusto ko to, yung Kinonix from Caris. Then lip tint na Dasi from Caris. So yan lang, wala tayo, wala tayong kilay. Sinaling ko yung yung Fruit Loops and then sabi niya, we're going. Like, where? We're going somewhere. Magdadrive-drive lang daw tayo, guys. What's that, babe? Yeah, mahuhulog daw kayo. So, yung mga bata, kumain na sila ng breakfast. Yun nga, Fruit Loops. Tapos, si Kuya nag-shapes. Tapos, ayan, kumakain sila ng package na salt and vinegar. Sila Ben, na una na silang umalis. Kasi biglaan lang to guys. Walang plano. Walang mga plano talaga. Basta lang magyaya. Kaya, kamusta ang kilay ko? Wala tayong kilay. Ang gloomy sa labas. And hindi tayo magluluto ng dinner kasi magdi-dinner tayo sa labas tonight.
No big deal.
Ako.
Hey, boy.
Wow, nice waves. Oh my god. I-vlog ko lang to guys. Sa vlog nyo na lang to makikita ha. Nakalimutan ko tuloy. Say hi sa vlog everyone. Oh, nice. Ayun si Jano, nakatingin lang siya sa mga dinadaanan natin. Ayan. Oy, ang gaganda guys.
Whoa, there's some waves.
Oh my god, look at that waves. Yeah.
Oh, we're back here again.
Yeah. Ayan yung beach, guys.
Is
Doon.
this where I go to the beach?
So, first stop natin. Ayan yung view. Yung mga bata nasa car lang. Di ba nag-vlog ako? Nagla-live tayo. Ayan si Johnny Boy. Say hi, Han. Hi. Ha?
Rock.
The rocks, big rocks. Sa vlog nyo na lang ito makikita guys ha. Para may abangan kayo. Ah yeah. Look at that. Did you see that person ha? Is that a person? My god, hindi siya natatakot. My god. Ang laki ng waves. Nandun siya sa sa nang hindi ko, i-zoom in ko lang to. Ayun, may tao doon guys sa malaking rocks. And hindi siya natatakot. Ang lalaki ng waves. Pag siya na dyan, na whip. And ayun, may mga naglalakad din, oh. Ayun. Hindi nyo makita, may nangingisda doon. Ayun na si Kuya, oh. Lumabas din yung mga bata. Ayan si kuya. Okay, bumalik na tayo sa car. Ang ganda ng view. Ayun, ayun han.
Mom, now.
Now, ayan, paikot-ikot lang kami dito guys.
My whole Papa can like go like
Ayan.
that.
Ayan kayo, oh.
My whole face.
Wow.
Surf shop.
Pababa tayo guys. Yan yung view na.
I don't know if we get. I don't. That cinema.
Is there another main street?
Guys, quiet lang tayo ha. Punta tayo ng shop. Ah, hindi. Are we going to the shop? Not yet. Or are we gonna meet Willow first?
Oh, look at them, this park.
Wait. Nasaan na yung flip nito? Mag-shopping daw si Johnny Boy guys dito sa surf shop. Wait lang, sandali guys. Saan ba ang flip? Ayan. Diyan lang kayo ha. Diyan lang kayo. Wag mo, hindi muna tayo iingay ha. Isama ko kayo sa shopping ni Johnny Boy. Alright. Nagulat siya. Oh my God, sabi ni ano. Ay, Baba, baka makakuha tayo ng ano mo dito, Baba.
Mom.
Yes. No, that's nice. That's too small. Ask Daddy. Ask Daddy. Go. Daddy. Daddy, look. Mayroon na siya, pero tingnan natin kung bili ni Daddy sa kanya. It's nice, honey. Kasi mayroon siya. Kaso gusto... Do you think so?
I'll grow into it.
I'll grow into... I think too small, Baba. Yeah, I think... Fine, fine. Okay, come on, let's go get it, Baba. Dalawa kasi ang hawak ko, camera tsaka.
Just want a bit bigger.
Ayan, that one's a bit bigger.
Oh, let me see.
Give that back. Ang cute nila, guys, oh.
Dad, this one's just. Yeah, this one's just bigger.
You think so? Okay.
No, this one's.
Ask Daddy.
This one's longer.
Is it alright?
That one's longer. Oh, this one.
I think that's too long.
No.
I think
Dad,
so.
what about this one?
We ask the lady. Hold it, Baba. We're gonna ask. Oh, mayroon na siyang nakuha. Ah, yeah, this one. Do you think it will fit her? Yeah, she's 5, turning 6, but she's a
I
little.
think you'd be okay.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I think a 4 might be too small.
So the next
The
6,
next size
that's
is
6,
Yeah.
4, and then 6.
Yeah. 4
Ah,
and then
okay.
6. I mean, you can always try it on as
Yeah.
well.
You wanna try it on?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go, I'll put
Okay.
it in the change room for you.
Come on. Ang hirap pa naman yan ipasok. Ayaw ko ang wetsuit guys kasi ang hirap niyan i-try. Okay, paano ba yung...
It's just on the back of the door.
Okay, thank you. Oh, pasok muna kami. Patry ko muna. Diyan lang kayo guys ha. Ayan muna ang harap nyo ha. Wait lang. Ayan, tamang-tama. Yung size 6 sa kanya. This is size 6. Say hi to my live. Okay, show it to Daddy. Ay, I don't know. Go. You found t-shirt?
That will not fit me.
Excuse me. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect, Daddy. Nice. That's size 6, hon.
Is there a 7?
Why? 7? Oh, size 7 daw ang kunin. I think next is 8. Because 4, 6, 8. Go show to the girl, to the lady. Maybe we're gonna go.
Is that gonna
O baka next year hindi na yung kasya sa'yo. Hi. Maybe we should go 8? Oh, no?
No, I wouldn't go bigger because they do expand in the water.
Alright.
We'll get a couple years out of it.
Sorry?
We'll get a couple years.
Yeah, I think so. And they stretch over time as well.
Alright.
Once you've had it for like a few seasons, it's a lot
A lot
than when
bigger.
you bought it.
Okay.
But I wouldn't go bigger. You can see she's got like
a little bit space. Yeah.
Wetsuits are, you know, tight, and she's wearing a top underneath it. So
Yeah, and then leggings as well. All right.
yeah, I think you'd be good with that size.
All right. Good job, Baba.
Ugg boots. Have you got Rip Curl Ugg boots or
Sorry.
Ugg
boots
boots.
for men? Men Ugg
We've
boots?
got these ones.
Well done. Okay, let's change. I know you did. What do you think, guys? Ganda ba yung napili ni Holly?
11. Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's change now. Meron ako si Kuya, oh. Meron din napili yung boys, guys. Let me see ya. I like that. Is that for... What size is that? What size? 12. Where's Zachary?
And you're trying to...
Change. Zach, are you there? What are you trying on? Okay, basa muna ako, guys. Yung aking pamilya. Nice, han? Is it your size? Wow, Zaki boy. Yeah, like it. Yung iba, guys, sa vlog nyo na lang makikita, ha? I love that, Zach. Look at the backhand. No, it's all right.
Mommy.
Yes. Yeah, that will be all right. Yes. Nice.
Mom.
Is that your right size bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Perfect. The same? All right. It looks nice though. I love it. Is that for boy bag? Ayan, madami nang nahakot sila Zachary.
You don't get the jumper.
No, I already got jumper.
What jumper you got?
Oh, you got that one.
Yeah, you change it.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Babayad na muna kami. Okay, we're done here. Okay, go. Doon na sila, guys. Kuya, can you?
Got it.
Binibiro na, naiwan yung kanyang wetsuit. Okay, we're done sa shopping ni Johnny Boy. Wala kay Mami. Again. Dito na tayo sa Caravan Park. Ayan, may mga nagsiswimming doon. Oh. May heated pool kasi dito, guys. Kaya nakakapag-swimming ang mga bata. So, balik na tayo sa Caravan Park. Live pa rin ako sa aking Facebook, guys. Gawa natin ng lunch si Johnny Boy. Guys, gawan ko lang, dito lang muna kayo ha. Gawa natin ng lunch ang aking...
We're going to watch
See you.
Mignon
Wait!
today.
Yes! Told ya. We're going with Minions. The new one.
It's a new one out, no one's watched it yet.
Minions are we're going to be the first.
Oh, mag-movie daw kami, guys. Manunod ng movie.
We're going to be the first ones to watch it.
Guys, ang labo talaga ng
No, we're not going to be the first ones to watch it.
Oh, gusto nila mag-movie. Mag-movie daw kami, guys.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
1:30 yung movie. Manunod ng Minions.
Run group. No, I'm eating.
Yung bago. Si Sak, favorite yun ni Sak nung bata siya. As in. Hanggang ngayon pa naman. Lahat talaga meron. From lunchbox.
Don't leave your bag out here.
Oh my God. Put it there, please, hon. Naiwan natin yung bag.
What about me?
Hanapin ko lang yung cheese natin.
Let's go. Right, Holly. You gotta change. Okay. Back to me. I'm not playing you guys. Diamond twist. Thank you very much.
Hello mga taga-Occidental. Hello. Wait lang guys ha. Tapusin ko lang to.
I'm not fine, I'm eating. So I'm doing my way.
Sandwich ni Johnny Boy. Meron ako ditong pork belly. Meron akong pork loins. Kaso alis kami. Pwede rin sana magluto. Kasi dinner daw kami. Kasi lagi kami nagluluto. Bira lang kayo lumabas. And mas masarap kasi pagluto din. Kaysa labas minsan.
That's too big. Why too big? You
Ayan.
only get dips like this.
Salami for Johnny Boy.
Like home. And me? No, it's like
You want salami, yeah?
No thanks. Oh yeah, please.
Okay.
Like this, look, Zach. Like that. That's how much you need. Like this. Yeah. That one. Oh, it's a bit more.
Mm.
Yeah. Wait, am I having that? Or is that just Dad? Like this?
Yeah. So, ito yung lunch ni Johnny Boy. Hiya! Bab! Yum.
I like the spicy sauce.
Yung mga bata, ayan, oh.
Is that good? No, 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 no. Wait.
Ay! Nahulog kayo. Bago manood ng movie, magsugal muna sila. Magsugal muna sila.
Hold on.
Kuya, can you open this one, please?
Hold on, we'll go to the movie. Mommy, you should get this one, really.
Yeah.
That,
Sarap
I don't
nito.
know, I was like this in the morning.
Sarap nito. Mmm. Meron akong cheese. Nahiwa na. Kasi nung isang araw, cheese platter kami.
Where's the board?
Oh, we don't need the board na. It's alright.
This is way too good.
So
You
good?
know what we're missing?
What?
3.
Bread? We have.
Correct, strawberry.
It's so good. That's for a pancake tomorrow.
Pancake. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Brie cheese too, please. Brie. Brie.
Wala nang salami.
Brie. Oh, Zach, can you get a knife?
Here. Make sure you cut it here, Han, not on the table.
Almost.
Think
Boy
about
wants Mildura. No, that's different than we get. Tropical's good, isn't it?
Mom, has in America.
Where's cups, Mum? Mum, where's cups?
here.
I mean,
Seriously.
I'll do it, yeah.
Wait, and wait.
do you want one, Holly? Thank you.
I'll get one.
Tita, come on.
What's
Oh,
the-
you have to shake it first up. Zachary, you didn't shut properly. My God, Zach. It's not funny.
Sorry. Oh, I was about to fix it, but you grabbed
No.
it.
My God, Zachary, you always do that. It's not funny. Nakitig ka tuloy. Bahala. Kung nakita tayo ni Daddy, patay tayo kay
Lucky Dad
Daddy.
wasn't
That's
here.
right.
Still dripping. Oh, it's just the outside.
It's alright now. Buti wala si Johnny because hindi pareho tayong napagalitan. Go! Open it, I'll do it. Open it. Nakita niyo yung guys?
Where's my cup? Oh, you said you didn't want one.
Just share.
It,
Share with Kuya Sak, Holly, at TJ.
Mom, just spit a little bit.
And put it back, Zachary. Kita niyo yung guys?
you
Ganun
know
kami
these
kagulo.
cups aren't glass.
I know. You don't
They
need
just
glass.
look like glass, but they aren't.
Here you go, Queen TJ.
Hello daw, Holly.
Hi, hi. Send me some unicorns, please.
That's nice.
Right?
Two.
Nice.
This is my.
Sarap
This
ng
is
tropical,
my lunch.
guys.
This is the lunch I'm having. Don't have what?
Hi,
Popcorn.
Nepsi Sirek. Hello po.
Could you please don't talk when your mouth is full? That's yuck.
Gustong-gusto nilang French onion. Mas gusto ko yung sweet
Too
potato.
sweet.
Urong ya.
Move.
So, kain na tayo, guys. Tapos na kami kumain ng cheese platter. Ayan na yung sapatos niya, yung Ugg boots niya. Ganda. Nice, babe. Baba, no. Put it back. Ayan siya, gusto rin mag-try. You already tried it on, Baba.
Cause